block under the knee, behind, back leg. Remember, once again, put the block back leg. Put it down, vertical. Then, front knee straight, 90 degree, right? Back heel up, 45 degree, 90 degree, straight, perpendicular, straight. Both hip in one line. Okay, now you have to hook a strap. Come here. So maintain your both knee 90 degree, back heel 90 degree here. Now after that, as I told you, you need to hook a strap and use single strap. Okay, not double strap, single. If you don't have hook like this, tie it. Okay, then raise the hands up. High tie lane. Okay, now first slightly push the tailbone behind towards the strap. Create hollow back, arch the back. Second, keep moving hands down as possible. Third, push the tailbone back, arch your back, chest forward, elbow straight. Elbow straight. Make sure when you're doing this, your elbow is becoming straight. Then only it will work. Look up to the ceiling. At the same time, keep pushing the hip back. Now, when you're pushing the hip back, make sure your hip is 90 degree or slightly back, no problem. But don't sit down, back leg, don't sit behind. Elbow must be straight. Okay, 3 times. Again, inhale, bend the elbow, little bit hunch your back, like this, little bit hunch your back. Again, exhale. At the same time, push the hip back. If possible, in second round, take the hands more down, if possible. Elbow must be straight. Hang your neck down behind. Then again, slightly bend your elbow and little hunch your back. Then third, we will do 3 times, one more, Motlan. Push the hip back, hands if possible more down in third round. Push the hip back more, and keep hanging your neck down and just stay there here. Okay, you can support like this. Keep pushing the hip back. Then last, twisting, Swai Om Chan. And hold here. In the end, after doing that, stay here. Ready everybody? First maintain the both leg 90 degree and back.